Want fresh fruit but don't have a big garden? These fruit trees grow perfectly in pots, making them great for small spaces like patios and balconies. Hey gardeners, welcome to my channel today. I will suggest you some fruits plants to grow in small spaces. Best fruit trees for containers and pots. Number 1 is apple fruit tree. Apple trees varieties like Red Delicious and Granny Smith thrive in containers, providing fresh apples year after year. You can grow easily at home. It need to grow well-drained soil and sunlight. Number 2 is lemon fruit tree. Citrus trees. Lemons, limes, and oranges add a burst of citrus flavor to your patio or balcony. Citrus that thrives in pots needed well-drained soil and sunlight and fertilizer. Number 3 is fig fruit tree. Sweet fruit with little maintenance. Little Miss Figgy and brown turkey provide luscious figs in containers. Number 4 fruit tree is dwarf mulberry fruit tree. Dwarf mulberry and Illinois. Everbearing are great choices for pots producing sweet, juicy mulberries. Growth habit mulberry trees can grow up to 30 feet tall, but dwarf varieties stay compact, 6 to 8 feet. Number 5 is strawberry fruit. Strawberry plants types. Everbearing. Alpine and day-neutral strawberries are perfect for containers. Strawberry trees compact varieties produce sweet strawberries and beautiful white flowers. Number 6 is peach fruit tree. Dwarf peach trees varieties like Bonfire and Pixie produce sweet peaches in even the smallest spaces. Compact trees with juicy fruit. Thanks for watching. Share your own experiences and tips in the comments below, and we'll catch you in the next video.